Go ahead and point your toes down for me. And to the left. Drop the head, drop it. Still coming up short on the right side. Okay, let's bring these arms out by your side for me. So I'm gonna start by adjusting right in the mid-back first, okay? So in just a second, I'll have you take a nice deep breath in all the way out. I'm gonna apply a little pressure and give you a push, okay? Deep breath in for me. All the way out. And one more time, please. All the way out. And one more time, please. All the way out. Very good. I'm gonna hold you back here. My legs gonna go on top of yours. Nice deep breath in, all the way out. Very nice. Other side for me. Good. A little bit closer to me on the bottom. Very good. Nice deep breath in, all the way out. One more time, deep breath in, all the way out. Go ahead and point your toes down for me. Very good. How'd that feel?
That felt crazy.
Awesome. Get a good release on that?
Wow, yes.
Awesome. All right. Lift up. Very good. Same thing here, just relax it. Very nice. Same thing here, just relax the knee. Good. Same thing here, okay? Just relax it. Same thing here. And right down this one hand. Just relax that shoulder for me, okay? Full control. Just drop the head to the left. Same thing here. And all the way down this one hand. Just relax that for me. Drop the head, drop it. Good. So let's check that movement now. So much better, we're able to move around.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, much better. A little more work to do on that right side, but much more even compared to what we were seeing before, okay? So head right on top of the neck there. Come down. Just relax it. Very good. Just relax it. Very good.